Hey guys, I'm here with Polly. She's sleeping here behind me. Looked really cute, so I wanted to get on the shot for today. Today on our agenda, we are doing some notes that I have pre-recorded based on your feedback that you gave me on Thursday, which was great, by the way. Thank you. A lot of you think that recorded notes would be really helpful. So I'm trying to combine that with the CK12 that we've been doing. Some of you really like it. Some of you hated it, but now it's growing on you. You're starting to like it, and some of you just really still do not like it, which is fair. I know with these online programs it can be frustrating, especially when they want like long answers and they're very specific about how many sig figs or how many decimals, and you get the right answer, but you don't report it right and it comes up wrong and things like that. I know that can be frustrating. So hang in there. You are doing great. We're gonna try again this week with it. I'm hoping it grows on you a little bit more. And I also hope that the notes help rather than you just reading what's online and then doing the questions. I think the notes will kind of help us a little bit more with that. In addition, I'm going to be hanging out on our Google Meets group, which again, you can find that link under classwork in Google Classroom. So if you have a question, you're working on the CK12, come up with a question, just go ahead, hop on that Meets and put your name in the chat that is also like on that Meets once you go in. That way I have like a queue, a line that I can go through, make sure I'm not skipping over anyone and we're going in good order. If I'm already helping someone, you can kind of listen in, see if that helps you at all, things like that. This is the last week before spring break, which is fabulous. But with that being said, I would like to have a quiz on Thursday. Hopefully you're not too busy with quizzes and tests on Thursday. I'm not sure what this is going to look like yet. I will let you know as I figure that out. I'm kind of looking at different kind of ideas that I have for how I want to do this. Either way, I am letting it be a partially open note in that I will let you use your blue roadmap that you've been using to help you with moles and mole conversions, which is what this quiz will be about. So that's going to be on Thursday. Pretty much tomorrow and Wednesday will be kind of more practice review for that. And I'll be there again to answer any questions that you have. She's so comfy and cute. Look at, oh my gosh, look at that stretch. So good. But that's pretty much what we're doing today. I also do have like a surprise for you. About a month ago, actually, I went to Petco and I got a fish tank. There are no fish in there yet. Right now it's just cycling, which means I am letting healthy, good bacteria grow in there so that when I put fish in there, they do well, they survive, they thrive, things like that. Because fish need bacteria that are good. I've got a SpongeBob thing going, so shout out to Tinley and Caitlin from fourth period. They did their bond type storybook and they made it SpongeBob themed. So that kind of inspired me. I've got, this glare is really bad, but I've got SpongeBob's house, I have Squidward's house, I have the Krusty Krab back there, SpongeBob and Patrick, so it's really cute. I'm excited. I don't know what fish I'm getting yet, but I'm still excited to have fish in my classroom. So yeah, um, get to work. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I will be on Google Meets, so that'll be the quickest way to reach me. And that's it. Have a wonderful day.